Ako muna ang door girl.
Door girl.
Bell girl.
Hey, chef!
Good morning. Chef. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yan o.
Morning, chef.
Good morning, chef. Alika,
here again.
chef, ano natin ngayon? Ihahanda mo for us.
It's a
We're so hungry, you know.
Japanese pesto, Midori.
Okay. The last time kasi, nag-pesto rin tayo, di ba? Pero hindi Japanese.
Yes.
Anong difference ng Japanese
There's a
pesto sa ordinary?
special ingredient from Japan, yung shiso leaves. Combined with the Japanese, with the basil.
Yung basil.
Pero same pa rin
Ano
yung
itsura
procedure.
nun? May itsura ka ba nun? Para makita
Yeah,
na.
this one, I made it earlier.
Itsura. Ito, ayan. Ay, hindi, wala kayong exact na leaf.
Yung leaves, I forgot. Or this one.
Ayan siya.
Yan siya. And then,
Sige. Okay. So, ano ang
we
ating
have
ingredients?
the udon noodles.
Yan. Ito, ano ba to?
That's Hungarian sausage.
Hungarian
This one is the
sausage.
noodles. Yan.
Ang galing naman, chef.
This one is sake.
Oh, the
Kong o
one may
sake?
characters.
Kong, sake mo.
Okay.
I brought sake na for you guys.
Yeah.
Si Kong mahilig sa sake. Sake na lang. Oh.
Sa akin na lang.
Sake. What about soju?
And then we have lemon too.
Yeah.
And then, ayan, ito yung favorite ko. Kasi gusto ko yung malaki.
Ay, wala.
So
Hindi ako
you make the
nakabili.
food,
Seaweed.
you put sake to the ingredients.
Yes.
Sige,
it
kausapin
makes
mo
it
siya, Doc. May kukunin lang ako.
flavorful
Yes,
ba?
but this one, you
Oo.
can eat it and drink with sake.
Okay. So as you make it as an ingredient and part of the delicacy, tapos you can drink it also.
Yes.
Wow.
But we drink it dito sa Philippines cold. But in Japan, normally, they warm the sake. Because doon kasi normally malamig winter.
Yes.
Okay. Chef Jojo, na-meet mo na bala si Will?
No, not
Hindi
yet.
pa, si
Yeah,
Will.
yeah,
Yan si
yeah.
Chef Jojo Villaflor. Yan. Siya po ang owner ng Orange Vanilla Confection. Saan to?
In Makati.
Makati.
Bali, home base lang siya.
Okay, so anong ating first step?
First, we need to grill the chicken.
Chicken. Anong chicken to?
Breast
Chicken
yan, no?
breast?
Chicken breast. Oo. Tapos marinated na siya.
So, chef, ano siya? Because breast, it's healthy. Ano yung healthy option?
Lina, maghanda ka na ng lamesa.
Ako na, ako na. Okay.
At saka William.
Okay, hindi ka na.
Tuto na kayo.
Rain, sige.
Mag-aasawa na kayo soon.
Okay.
I'll
Saan
plate it.
natin?
Ano?
Saan ang mga... Wait. Ito,
How many
okay.
are you guys?
Tingnan natin kung magaling ka,
sige.
Will.
I'll plate it.
Sige,
dyan na lang
tingnan ko, Will.
Mag-plating
Pero
tayo.
ito oil,
Sige,
no?
ako na muna.
Just put it here na lang. I'll plate it individually.
Okay, individually.
That's ordinary cooking oil. It could be vegetable oil or...
Pwede ba mag-butter, ganun?
Okay.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi masyado ma-butter ang Japanese.
No, pag ibabutter mo siya, you're going to kill the pesto. Kasi this one is olive oil.
Ay.
So, chef, kailangan talaga yung pesto ay lumutang, parang ganon. So, and olive oil is very neutral eh.
The last time, Japanese din yung ginawa mo sa amin, di ba?
Yes, oo.
Yun talaga yung
breakfast,
expertise. Galing. Specialty mo, yun ang specialty mo, Japanese.
Tapos this one, pwedeng pagsabayin siya ng pag-grill with the sausage.
Paano mo minarinate yung chicken? Anong nilagay mo?
Ano lang
Pepper,
siya?
salt,
Salt, pepper, and dashi.
mga ilang minuto. Kailangan ba overnight yan? Hindi naman.
Pwedeng overnight.
The longer the better, di ba?
Yes,
Sabi
oo.
nila. Bango.
And put some calamansi or lemon. Tapos kailangan ito mabilis lang para tender yung chicken. Hindi siya maging tough.
Tsaka hindi overcook mo. And then, eto anong tawag dito sa noodles na talsya?
Udon. Udon noodles.
Hindi ka naghahanda.
Japanese sa Japanese
So,
style.
dapat ano lang, parang light, medyo, you can't keep it too long or it'll dry up,
Yung ano
lose its
natin,
moisture, etc.
Chef, itong udon noodles natin, ilang minutes mo to papakuluan?
That's like 5 minutes lang.
Parehas lang yung mga ordinary pasta noodles. Do you also have to put oil tsaka salt?
No,
dun sa- not anymore.
Kasi this one is already salty eh. At tapos may sarili na siyang oil. So pag
Baka hindi siya magsistick
so pag
together.
niluto mo siya, pinoil mo siya, you don't need to put salt and oil.
That's good.
Sarap ng amoy.
Sarap, no? So, ayan, i-repeat lang natin yung ingredients natin, no? Meron tayong udon noodles, Japanese pesto made of basil and shiso leaves. We have garlic, walnuts, olive oil, pan-grilled chicken, parmesan cheese, at saka lemon. Yan ang mga ingredients na kailangan natin. Ano yung natanong mo, Doc?
Angel, kay Chef. Yung Hungarian sausage, buo niyang linuto, no? Hindi yung in-slice, after na lang pala.
Yan, amoy ulam ako.
naman ni Chef yan, di ba?
Ha?
Ipe-plate naman ni Chef.
Oo, ipi-plate na siya. Yan. Galing na ni Rina. Pwede na rin.
Kasama to.
Yan ang mga finished products natin, no?
Recap ko lang ha, para bago
Sige.
tayo mag tawag dito?
Sorry.
Chef, udon noodles, Japanese pesto, tapos tinap ni Chef ng yung ginrill niya na chicken breast at saka may Hungarian sausage. And then parmesan cheese to taste. And also, kung gusto niya ng medyo spicy yan, chili oil.
Yes.
Yehey! So, ito na siya. Ito na.
Guys, ano siya? Although Japanese-inspired, fusion pa rin siya, di ba, Chef?
Yes.
Because isipin natin, yung sausage at saka yung pesto. Pesto naman is not Japanese. The only thing that makes it Japanese is si Chef added the shiso leaves.
Yes.
Pero the basil is basically Italian.
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 Kakanta ka daw, Doc Joseph.
Oo, kakanta ba ako? Pwede. Ano yung kanta? Yung ano natin, yung period natin kong, period din yun. Period talaga. Okay. Kilala niyo si Martin Nievera, of course. Yun. Yun na lang tayo. Diretso na. Kanta na.
Martin period.
Martin Pierre. Oh, sige.
Uy, si Doc, ha? Nagka-Channel 5 na rin.
Kasama mo si
Ano
hidden
lang?
ko.
Resource person. Oo.
TV5,
Ang
ha?
hirap
Hindi
sa'yo
nakakayanan eh.
Nahirapan.
Okay, guys.
Ito na.
kumanta ka dyan.
O, kakanta na ako. Alright. Ano na, diretso na?
Ito yung sausage.
Hello, Chika Limpa.
Yeah. Ito na. Okay. Be my lady. Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Surely I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. So